Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the next day of the server rack. So, the camera died yesterday before I could complete what I was doing yesterday, and I did complete what I was doing yesterday. I'll give you a quick showdown of what I did yesterday. This is what I did. I put 4 casters on it so I can roll it around. It's rolling quite well. I put together a frame made out of 2x4s to go around it. Of course, it's not perfect. I gotta cut this little end here. But yeah, this is pretty much my server rack. This is the back of the server rack. This is, of course, the top of it. As you can see, there's an opening. Now, I didn't think about it at the time, but when I made the server rack design in my head, I didn't really think about how to run the cables in and out, and this opening is going to make it very, very easy to do. So that's really great that this happened. Anyway, today the next step is going to be to start working on these drawers and reassembling them. Now, originally the drawers fitted quite easily in there because that was the original design, but now there's a gap between each side of the drawers, which is something I have designed into it, so I gotta complete the gap from each side in order to make it complete. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these straps that came with this, cut a piece and just weld it side to side from this end to this end, from here to here. I think today I will do a short time lapse for you to see not as much camera angles but more time lapses and updates, because I do need to get this thing done. It's bugging people that it's in the way pretty much. So yeah, I gotta do this and finish it. And if I play around with the camera all day like I did yesterday, I will not be able to accomplish much. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next update. So, quick update. I've welded the first drawer together. And as you can see, I created a metal bridge with these pieces I had with this stuff right there. And it doesn't roll perfectly smooth yet, but I'm pretty sure that this is a problem that I'm having. I discovered that there's a little bit of a gap between the metal and the wood, and if I put pressure, enough pressure on this and bind them together, and it becomes a lot easier to move these. I also created a bridge on this part right here. It is absolutely separate, of course. Alright, that's what I've did so far. I'll catch you on the next one. Welcome back. Alright, so I have some progress. I figured out the first drawer on the rack. So the way I built this thing is rather simple. Everyone can see I put three pieces of wood on there to hold the two pieces of the drawer together and to create enough pressure to hold the track in the position between the plastic wheels. And what I did at the bottom here, I've put a screw to act as a stopper so it won't coast outside of the track positions. And yeah, this is pretty much it. This is gonna be server rack. I got 4 more drawers to go, and then this thing will be pretty much done. I'm back, and I think I'm done for the day. This was one hell of a project so far. I see there's gonna be a third day on this. I finally managed to get the drawers working correctly. Was not fun. Let me show you what I did so far. So this is how it looks so far. I installed 2 drawers on this. They both work. They're sliding very well. However, it was a little bit tricky to get it to slide so smoothly, and it's not perfect still. I'm hoping once the equipment's going to be installed in here, it's going to be a lot smoother because of the weight. This one was particularly tricky. I think that one of the wheels is bent. I think this wheel is slightly bent, or it's off, or something with this one. But anyway, I got it to work. For now it's working good, and I will be doing a third video on this because obviously I have 2 more drawers to install. Still need to set up some kind of a power rail. I want to see if my printer is gonna fit in there, and I am thinking about installing some kind of a side shelf with a screen, keyboard and mouse on it, so I can have access to whatever I need access to, and that way I won't have to mess around with cabling in case of a problem. I might even put a 4-channel KVM switch on it. I don't know yet. We'll see. Anyway, for now, this is the end of the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.